DFL candidate for Minnesota Governor Amy Klobuchar wants to ban cell phones and other mobile devices in K-12 classrooms and limit screen time. To date, cell phone policies have been left up to individual districts. So we wanted to know if those policies are working, and we sent Pilar Pedraza to find out.
We need to teach it. It's a life skill. We need to model it.
Dr. Jenny Hill from St. Cloud State and her colleague, Dr. Tracy Reimer from Bethel University, teamed up to take an in-depth look at what kinds of cell phone policies were already in place in Minnesota schools as the state began requiring all schools to have some sort of policy by March of 2025.
Schools had to have a policy, but not necessarily a total ban. And so we're very curious about the schools that were ahead of the ball.
What had they found out?
We found out that the peer-to-peer interaction has increased. When kids put their phones away, they talk to each other at lunch and in the hallways. It's back to the 90s, baby.
She said school administrators reported fewer disciplinary problems and some increased academics.
It's anecdotal evidence at the moment. We don't have hard data on this, but teachers are not having to manage devices when they teach. They can just teach, and that leads to better instruction.
Stanford-led research looked at more than 43,000 schools nationwide, half that required kids to put their phones in a lockable pouch, half that didn't. It showed cell phone bans reduced usage in school, but didn't seem to lead to any changes in student test scores, attendance, or attention in class, not even on perceived cyberbullying. In that study, discipline problems increased for at least the first year as kids fought back before starting to improve. A University of Pennsylvania survey of more than 20,000 public school educators found the stricter the cell phone ban, the happier teachers were, and the less likely kids were to use the phones when they shouldn't. But only 1 in 4 schools surveyed went that route. More frequent was the no-show policy, allowing kids to carry their phones out of sight in a backpack or back pocket. A Harvard study found cell phone policies may cut down on usage in school, but, quote, they didn't meaningfully reduce students' overall daily screen time. All 4 studies said we need more studies. And so far, 22 states in the District of Columbia have adopted bell-to-bell bans at the K-12 level for cell phones. Another 19 states have passed more flexible rules limiting cell phone use at school. All of them say, again, that more study needs to be made on this issue. Live from St. Paul, Pilar Pedraza, 5 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Pilar.